Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Harida. So guys, today I'll be talking about the Good Molecule face toner. I've talked about this toner, not this particular brand, this one. I've talked about the one with, I think is glycolic acid, the one with glycolic acid. So but this one I'm here to show you guys today, just to share my experience and how it was for me. So guys, just sit back, relax, and let's dive into the video. So guys, this is this toner here. This is the Good Molecule Brightening Toner, formulated with niacinamide, vitamin C, arbutin, licorice root extract to brighten and improve appearance of enlarged pores. Like guys, read it as I'm reading these things to you guys. If you see that this toner is packed with a lot of amazing selected like ingredients list. If you want to brighten your face, this is a brightening toner. But if you have more of face issues like pimples, if your issues are maybe they're severe or something, you might want to try the other one. I did a review on that one. You can just check my video down, you will see the review on that one. So why I bought this one was just to brighten up my face a little bit, to help with anything I'm using. So this toner will just for you to help brighten up my skin. And what made me buy it again, some products you will see lightening, let me say for instance lightening soap, lightening lotion. When you take the lotion, you go through the ingredient list, like you won't even see anything that is any ingredient that lightens the skin there. I'm like, so what's the ingredient, what's the lightening thing there for? Like this lotion you're selling doesn't have any lightening ingredients on it, so how come you're saying it's light? Anyway, maybe it's a marketing strategy though. But this one, it says it's a brightening toner and it actually brightens up the skin. Look at the ingredient list now. Even with all these ingredient lists, guys, you're sure that this toner will brighten up your skin. Like I said, it has niacinamide, vitamin C, arbutin. You know, guys know arbutin. Now if you want to brighten up your skin, arbutin is one ingredient you should look out for. And it's very expensive. Like the ingredient is very expensive to get. And licorice root extract. So like this is how it is. This is the packaging. I don't know, have you used this one before? I think a lot of people have used it and a lot of people love it. So let me know in the comment section how it is on your skin. Do you like it? Is it value for the money? Because this thing is pretty expensive though. It's pretty expensive. Not that it's expensive now though. It's really, I wanted to say it's not that expensive, but it is expensive. So guys, okay, arbutin, wow, and they use the right amount though. And this, I love this company. They are so plain with their ingredients lists. No, nothing to hide, everything is there for you to see. Like the amount of water they used, the niacinamide percent. Oh wow, I'm just seeing this thing. I didn't know it was this detailed. Really, niacinamide 3%, arbutin 2%, which is normal. You don't think you cannot use more than 2% of arbutin when you feel a little bit too much, and it might not be good. When you use too much of these things, it causes irritation. So that's one thing again people do is you're using too many lightening things at the same time. It's really not good. Your toner is lightening, your soap is lightening, your lotion is lightening. It's really not good. So learn to tone it down a bit. So guys, this is how it is. But guys, to be honest here, I haven't been using this thing for a very long time. I used it and stopped somewhere here. Why I stopped using it was that I think I was using, it was this soap. After I got this soap, that was when I stopped using it. Guys, I've done a review about this soap. If you've not watched the video, please check it out. This soap is really a nice one. So the soap was really just doing everything for me. So I said, okay, let me keep this one. Whenever I have any issue or like any severe or any skin issue, I'll just get this one out and use it again. But it's really nice. But another thing again, even with all these ingredients list, guys, you have to be very patient. Like this cream, this toner, if you're not patient, you will not even see the result or anything. Like with all these ingredients, I was expecting it to be really fast, but as you know, natural products, they cannot do magic for you. It's a gradual process. You have to be very patient if you want to get results with this toner. The result is not fast, but you will get it. So guys, I don't know, let me know in the comment section how it is for you. So this is just a quick video to show you guys another good product you might want to try if you're finding it difficult to find something, or you're having skin issues. This product is a good one from Good Molecules. So guys, how I apply this is after washing my face with soap, of course. After washing my face, I use a cotton pad. I'll use a cotton pad. Just dab it on it. It's liquid, see? It's just liquid like water. It's not scented. It's really nice. So just dab it on the cotton wool and use it to clean your face after having your bath every day. You can do this at night, because if you don't use sunscreen again, you can only do this thing at night. But if you use sunscreen, you might want to try it in the day, during the daytime. But they say here, disperse onto cotton pad and gently sweep over clean face. Can also be dispersed into palms and patted into skin until fully absorbed. Suitable for daily use. Yeah, suitable for daily use. So you can use it every day, AM or PM. It's written here, AM or PM. So you can just, the one for you to pat on your skin. I don't like that patting, but I think that patting one works more for me. I don't know, once I just put it on your palm, just pat it all over your face, you tend to see the results more. I don't know, I noticed that I see the results more than using it on cotton pad. So let me know how you're using yours. Leave a comment for me, and if you've watched up to this point, please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.